This is how a big vessel in the plant is going to be erected with two cranes. Heavy lift crawler crane. So the main crane now is lifting the vessel, while the other crane is just supporting the lower portion of the vessel. The main crane will lift this load and erect it to the foundation. This is a heavy lifting, guys, very heavy. Slowly standing now. The main crane is lifting on the top. The support crane is lifting on the base of this vessel. It's almost vertical now. Now the support crane is lowering the hook. Totally vertical now. The vessel is lifted now totally on the main crane. Now the crane is swing now to the final position where the vessel is going to be erected. The operator now is lowering the vessel, hoisting down now the vessel. Massive planning before this job is going to be done.